All right, guys. So what we have here is a 2008 Pontiac G6 GT. Engine size 3.5L. So what we experiencing here today is a no crank, no start. As you can see, put the key in, and you know what I'm saying. It does this. Turn the key, doesn't do nothing. Now, I've been online doing some research and stuff like that. A lot of people say, anti-theft system, woo. But no, that's not it, because every now and then the car will still start up, but the same lights will still be on. You know what I'm saying? But actually, if you notice, like, see, I ain't even doing that, I just started doing that. But anyway, if you notice, like, when I put the key in and stuff like that, you actually hear this little clicking. So this clicking noise, it's not coming from the starter. It's not coming from that. This doesn't have anything to do with the battery, the alternator, or any of that stuff that you guys been hearing. Listen. As you can see. Now, let me turn this back off. Now, I did some investigation and I noticed where this clicking noise is coming from. So if you can see that right there, that is your body control module, or if you can just say your BCM. And, when I crank it, I noticed that it's a clicking noise coming from there, you hear that? Okay, so my doors just locked on their own. So, signs of the indication of the body control module. Now, again, it's different on these G6s and stuff like different cars. These G6s are different. See, just put my stuff in gear and the doors came unlocked. See, the dash trying to, not even my light, my interior lights are on and stuff like that, but it's not showing up on the dash, none of that stuff like that. So it's definitely the body control module. I'm trying to see if I can get it to start for you guys. Like, I just have to play with it, you know what I'm saying? Keep taking it out and putting it back in and stuff. And it eventually starts up, act stupid and stuff. But sadly, guys, me, I'm going to give you more update on it, because I'm going to just remove this. Like I said, the BCM, I'm going to just remove this. You can see it got the 2 connections right there, remove this whole thing, change it out. I'm going to just get a used one from the junkyard and stuff like that, and hopefully everything's go smooth. It was actually this car I was looking at, it with Junker that already had the key in there, so hopefully I'm gonna just go get the BCM, see if that works. I'll give you guys an update. Let me just try one more time. Man, swear I could get this thing to start. Well, guys, I'll give you an update when I have something figured out.